Tomaro wale ni kitumari vikumni ni tomano chiko na vito koni na vito kani, continuing the cooperation and the cooperative effort that have been the foundation of our relationship with the Australian Defence Force, Australian military forces, and the military forces of the region. You are probably aware that I am championing and promoting the Pacific as a zone of peace. And that zone of peace does not necessarily mean the absence of conflict. It means bringing to the region a sense of security, a sense of purpose, a sense of united security. And your cooperation, your participation here on this exercise that will continue into the future is an indication that we pay a lot of respect, we lay a lot of emphasis on regional security. You have my colleagues from the cabinet who are here, and they are intimately involved in the various areas that will ensure security not only for Fiji but for the region as we work together with the other friendly forces and friendly countries in the region. I thank you all very much for making us proud to have been able to come out to see you here in training under some very capable and experienced officers of the Australian forces, the former Australian infantry officers who've grown up or been promoted to the senior ranks, and while they lose their corps badges, they are still very proud of the corps they had served under during their progress through the ranks. So ikimdo Naivalurua rolong cuma na cuma viti ra wahununi bina cuma ini marau taitiku. Not necessarily enjoy, but that you are enjoying in the sense that you are benefiting from what you are experiencing here in Australia. Be proud of your regiment, be proud of your colors, be proud of your people. Do not let us down. Hold it high. We are praying for you. Nah.
Lord,